Hello everyone, Justin Simmons, DKC Realty Group. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you're having a fantabulous day so far. So today, episode 10, how to sell a home. We are negotiating over the inspection. So now we're expert negotiators. Buyer just completed the inspection. They got their inspection report from their inspector, and now they're coming to us with a list of items they want to have addressed. By address, we mean either fixed or to have a price reduction. So I got tips. I got 3 categories for requests that come from buyers. So let's get started. First thing, big ticket items. What are we talking about? Maybe the roof is leaking. Maybe the boiler wasn't working at the time of inspection and there's no heat in the house. Well, those big things are major concerns for the buyer, oftentimes for their bank, for the appraiser, and as a result for us, because we want the home to sell. So we need to focus our energy here on getting these items addressed. Depending on what it is, that can determine the strategy we use. Now remember, the buyer got the inspection report, we didn't, and they sent their request to us. So we can agree with their request, maybe fix everything that they requested or give them the credit that they're looking for, or we can counter on what we're gonna do. It all depends. But for the big stuff, let's focus our energies here. You wanna talk to your real estate professional, talk to a licensed contractor often, sometimes your attorney as well, as to what needs to be done, okay? But oftentimes with these big ticket items, things need to be done in order for us to sell. So we want to make sure that we're addressing these items as they come up. Second thing, items that might not be major issues, but they could be big ticket items in the minds of the bank. So remember, most buyers have banks. Banks have their own standards. Give you a quick example. If a buyer is using an FHA mortgage, one of the things that I've seen come up time and time again is that a handrail where stairs are is not present or very loose and considered unsafe. So when the appraiser comes and sees, hey, there's no handrail here next to these flight of stairs down to the basement, they're gonna have to say, we need to install a handrail, and I'm going to have to come back again and make sure that it's there, or someone will provide proof to me that it's there, okay? So not a major thing necessarily, not like a roof caving in, but it is something we need to address. The specific financing option that someone is using often comes with its own set of conditions. So we're gonna use the conditions that they have to determine what we should prioritize. Now, oftentimes the buyer's agent will tell us what those items are that they're looking to get addressed, because they usually know what needs to be addressed for the bank and the appraiser to say everything is okay. But if they don't, your real estate professional, we may know and may point something out so we can save time down the line. Because if it takes a week or 2 to get an appraiser to come back, that can be a big issue. Slow down your sale. Maybe you need to sell to buy. You have other goals and dreams you want to accomplish. So we don't want to delay this unnecessarily. Third thing, cosmetic stuff. Depends on the buyer. Sometimes they request that we take care of minor items. Completely, I typically tell my clients it's really up to you whether you want to address these or not. Some people say, yeah, I'll change all the doorknobs, not a problem. Other people say, no, I'm gonna leave that for the buyer. They can do it to their taste, right? Now, remember, these are the requests they're making. We're gonna say what we're gonna do in return. They might not accept what we say that we're gonna do in return. They might be demanding everything, or they say, hey, we'll walk away from the deal. Okay. This goes back to the importance of us selling in the sweet spot, having strong marketing, having our open houses so we can generate multiple offers so we have the leverage and the power. That's what we want. So if the buyer is getting a very mighty and strong regarding their inspection request, but they're minor items that the bank won't care about, most people can address on their own very quickly and cheaply, hey, buyer, we got a ton of other offers. It's completely up to you to decide what you want to do. If you want to walk away, that's completely fine. But here's the things that we're agreeing to work on. And that's it. And then if they move on, well, then we can see what the other buyers that are interested in who submitted offers can do, or we can even see what the general market wants to do, right? We can still keep showing. So leverage is key when it comes to negotiating. Inspections are all about negotiating. That's why they're doing them. So now's our time to exercise that leverage that we have. So if you like the information presented here, I got another video that I think you're really gonna enjoy. It's popping up right now. Hashtag jsbxhomes. You can subscribe to this channel, 3 educational videos every week. And next week we'll be covering episode 11 in the How to Sell a Home series. Thanks for joining us. Look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.